Make your server smarter by adding bots in a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add bots in Discord. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open any web browser on your screen and tap on the search bar and search for a trusted bot website like TopGG and hit the send button. Tap on the first search result that appears in your screen. On the bot page, search for the bot you want to add and tap on it. Then tap on the invite button. Likewise, choose the server where you want to add the bot. Bots can only be added to the server where you have the necessary permission. Click on the continue button at the bottom. Review the permission the bot is requesting and tap on the authorize to proceed. Permission allows the bot to function correctly within your server. Now you can interact with the bot. So this is how to add bots in Discord. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.